Detailing Simple. My name is Sak, and today I have something special for you guys. So you guys saw me detail my whole exterior, did a maintenance wash, wash, clay, decontaminate the car, and use the Geon ceramic detailer. But let's go ahead and talk about the interior clean and protect from DIY Detail. And if you guys want to buy any DIY Detail products, go ahead and use code DMS at checkout for 10% off. And let's go ahead and talk about this. This is a quick intro on why I like it. So it leaves that nice satin sheen. It actually cleans super well compared to others on the market, and I will talk about that more on the outro and inside the video most likely. And yes, it cleans super well. It's anti-static, and also it kind of deodorizes the interior. What do I mean about that? When you clean any carpet like Alcantara, carpet, cloth, or leather seats, when you use this to clean, the scent just doesn't last a day or 30 minutes or 45 minutes. It literally lasts a couple of days, and it pretty much deodorizes, and it just smells good. Your interior smells clean. So that's something that I really love about this. It's safe on infotainment screens. It doesn't leave any streaking. It's safe on mirrors as well. Are you gonna use it on a mirror? No, use a dedicated, glass cleaner, but it still won't harm it. And it has UV protection. That's all I could think of at the top of my head. I will talk more about this on the outro, but you guys should definitely go ahead and pick a bottle up of this. And if you guys saw me do my unboxing with the DIY Detail products, you guys saw that I bought a gallon of this, and I'm pretty much done. Again, I'm a business, so I detail a couple cars, a day. So yes, so let's just go ahead and talk about this, and I will show you guys. How well this cleans on my interior. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, everyone, so now we're just gonna do the interior, and I do want to talk about interior clean and protect from DIY Detail. This is what I'm gonna be doing to maintain the interior, and let's just show you how dusty it is. It's dusty. I already did a quick vacuum, nothing too serious, but I do want to show you guys the interior. It's actually dusty, and what I'll do is I'll put you guys, I got the tripod right in here, and this video is dedicated only to DIY Detail clean and protect. I really want to show how versatile it is and how great it is to maintain your interior. And I'm going to put you guys on the tripod. Hopefully I'll mount it like this or put it on the seat. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys just the dashboard area, and we'll move along from here. All right, everyone, so let's just go ahead and get started with the interior clean and protect. I do have the DIY Detail interior all around towel or all-purpose towel, and then I like to use the Kirkland microfiber towel to buff off the extra excess. Now, let me see what else you guys can see, because I will do the infotainment screen and a bit of the door panel, so that is perfect. So yeah, so look, let me just go ahead and show you guys real quick. So I like to spray on the all-purpose towel, and you could go ahead and lightly scrub and agitate. You don't have to use pressure whatsoever. And then just buff off with the second one, and now you clean and protect your whole interior. That's one way, but this is if you need scrubbing power, which will be more on the door panels and cloth seats. But this is a dual power, so we'll be using the short weave. So I apply, and then this is safe on infotainment screens as well. And I will show you guys real quick. Is it dedicated for it? No, you could use a glass cleaner or any type of glass cleaner as well, and then protect it with a sealant. And you know what, that's what I'll probably do. I'll protect this with ceramic gloss right after I clean this, just to add that extra slickness and protection and that anti-static, so not a lot of dust gets on the infotainment screen. And look how easy it buffs off, and it's nice and clean. Also, interior clean and protect is also anti-static. It attracts very little dust. Now, I haven't cleaned my steering wheel in about a week or two, So let's see how dirty it is. So clean towel, we'll go ahead and do this on the steering wheel. And look, that dirt and grime that's on the steering wheel. And it's something we should always be cleaning because that's where most of the dirt, oil, and grime is on your wheel, your steering wheel. And it leaves this nice satin matte type of finish, and you've already cleaned it. And the great thing about this, it has UV protection. So since I use this dirty side, I'm just gonna flip it over, spray a little more, and apply down here on this side, handles, signal light, etc. Apply it on everything. And it has UV protection, so you're protecting your vehicle from the sun's harmful rays. And to improve that protection, use interior ceramic, which I yet have to do on this vehicle. I use an old ceramic coating, which I used the Xi'an leather shield that I had left over, and I used it on this vinyl areas, but it's already been over a year. So something to take note of and understand that I really need to protect my interior again. So yeah, so I did that. Let me do a bit of the door panels, and I will show you guys once I'm done with this. I will flip it over to the agitation side, to the grooves or this rigid side, to go ahead and buff the cloth or the carpet of my door handle. Ideally you want to roll the windows down, but here I'm just showing you guys a quick application on how well it cleans and how good of a satin finish it leaves on this. And now on here, and it goes on everything. It's literally safe on everything, even Alcantara if you guys have it. Flip this over and we'll go ahead and continue. And if you guys like this type of content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because this is the only way I know that you guys are enjoying this type of content and find my videos informative, right? Look how well it cleaned the cloth here. I agitated it, I left it, and let me bring you guys in. I'll probably, move you guys from the tripod. Let me show you guys how this door panel came out. Great. So Hondas don't have the best interior fabrics, so I'm not worried about this, even though I protected it and everything as well. So yeah, these are my business cards. But yeah, so this is how it left this half of the vehicle, and you guys could go ahead and take a look. Definitely go purchase this. Is a great way to maintain your interior and make sure you have that amazing finish, UV protection, etc. Just look at the steering wheel, look up here where we applied it, even the infotainment screen. And I will apply ceramic gloss on this because it's feeling very sticky, so I really want it to be fully anti-static. So let me go ahead and grab that. And yeah, so let me just put you guys down on this side while I'll do the other side, and we'll go ahead and just fix you guys up here. I apologize for all this moving because it's kind of hard to record interior of a vehicle. So, oops. Alrighty, all right, there we go. That's better. So Let me go around and let me grab the fingerprints. It helps with fingerprints and all that stuff. I've used BeatMaker before on an infotainment screen. Is it, you know, is it gonna prevent all fingerprints? No, but it's just gonna make it slicker, easier to clean, dusty, and definitely helps prevent with scratches on your infotainment screen. And you're probably wondering, what do you mean prevent scratches on your infotainment screen? Well, it's anti-static, it's slippery, it's slick. What do you think is gonna happen? Right? All that dust particles and everything that's on the infotainment screen wants to slide right off. So, yep, I'm gonna clean. Left is my shift knob. Go ahead and do that. And the microfiber will attract all that dirt and pull it all inside the towel. Once I do that, go ahead and clean off the rest. I do drive a manual, so that's great. So if my shift knob is moving, it is what it is. It's not gonna break anything, and it leaves that nice satin finish. Now we're gonna move on here. Now, one question I do want to ask you guys is, what type of interior cleaners you guys like to use, right? Do you guys like, you know, a certain brand, a certain company? You know, I used to use Adams, you know, interior cleaner, which it does have some UV protection, but this one leaves a better finish, in my opinion. The smell actually stays inside the vehicle. And yeah, so that's about it. You're done. Now let me just clean this half right down here, and I'm just doing a quick maintenance on my vehicle, and you guys are gonna see a quick before and after on how amazing this product works. And it works, like I said, on all surfaces. This is a clean towel that I have, so that I carry in my vehicle just to dust off anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it on the infotainment screen. So a bit of ceramic gloss, 2 sprays, that's it. Even one was just enough, to be honest. Use that on there, flip it to the next side, buff it in, and now I have a slick, protected infotainment screen. And yes, this video is exactly how long I really wanted it to be, about 15 minutes just talking about it. But look at the door panel, nice, clean, protected. Look at the sheen that it leaves. This is what I'm talking about, like that satin matte sheen. Even on the dashboard, like you could tell now that your interior is protected. Look at the leather, it hydrated the leather. Let's go around to the other side and look at this door panel. Nice, clean, leaves that satin matte sheen that I was talking about. And look at the infotainment screen. Didn't even harm the infotainment screen whatsoever. Everything is nice and clean, and it leaves that dressing that I love. It has that nice fresh scent inside the vehicle because I used it on this cloth right here, buffed it in, and when you go in and smell it, it deodorizes anything that's in here. And like I said, that's maybe an off-label use. I'm not saying to use it to, you know, freshen up the car, but if you're cleaning and wiping down any Alcantara, suede, or maybe leather, it leaves that nice fresh scent inside the vehicle. But yeah, so that's about it. I really want to showcase the DIY Detail Interior Clean and Protect. It's a great maintenance product. Definitely go pick yourself up a bottle. I have a gallon of this and I'm almost running out, and I will be buying another gallon and just keep filling up the 16-ounce bottle. It's great. Look at the dark sheen, satin sheen that it leaves inside the interior. All right, everyone. So you guys just saw me use Interior Clean and Protect on my vehicle, and why I love this product so much. These are my afterthoughts. It leaves that deep satin sheen. It has UV protection. It's an all-in-one clean and protect, and DIY Detail is very conservative on how well this product really cleans, right? It cleans amazing. You guys seen the video of when I did the rinseless wash on the Mustang Mach-E, and I use Interior Clean and Protect, and the owner of that vehicle actually works in construction, and you guys actually see how well it turned out. Yes, it does have the interior ceramic from DIY Detail, but this is still cleans amazingly well, and it protects your interiors. Now, another benefit of this is anti-static, right? It attracts very little dust. Obviously, over time, it will attract dust on it, but it's normal. Now, also an off-label use or comment is when I used it on like the cloth area of my door panels, and where I used it on leather seats as well. It actually conditions the seat. Obviously, it's a protectant at the same time, but it leaves that nice smell on it, that clean smell. And it's not like, again, I've used, the only other one that I could really compare to that I used to like a lot was the Anno Polish's leather and interior cleaner. But this smell actually stays inside the vehicle. It doesn't just stay there for an hour and then disappears. It actually stays there for at least like 2 to 3 days, and then it dissipates, right? It's normal. But you guys definitely gotta get yourself one of these. And you guys just saw my vehicle on how it leaves that nice sheen on the dashboard and door panel. Now, I did use ceramic gloss on the infotainment screen. Oh, this is another thing. You guys can use this on infotainment screen. It's not made for it, but you guys saw me clean the infotainment screen with this, and it left no residue, no streaking, no nothing. Now, for the ceramic gloss, I used it on the infotainment screen for, you know, fingerprints and smudges. It's not gonna prevent, you know, it from getting fingerprints, but it's more of the body oil sticking onto the infotainment screen and leaving that slick surface on it. Now, the one thing I do want to mention, this is a different company, obviously, but I use this all the time. I've been using this for over like 5 years, and my customers, even my brand new customers, when they come in and do an interior detail and I put this inside their interior, they're like, what is that smell? It smells amazing. And I normally don't buy Chemical Guy stuff, but this is one thing. If you guys really want to buy this, go ahead and buy this. It's the Mango Cello. It's mango and lemon fusion. It's an air freshener and odor neutralizer. It smells great. I tried the honeydew scent from Chemical Guys. That's the one that Pan you know, suggested years ago when I watched his video, but I used it. It smells good, but I didn't really like the after scents that it left after a couple of days. But this to me lasts the longest. It has that nice, strong, fruity type of smell. It's not like a type of fruity like a cherry scent or a grape scent. It just smells good. You guys definitely got to give this a shot. But other than that, if you guys like this type of content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully the sun is not messing up this video. But yes, other than that, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.